Hey, what's up? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this app right here called the Stepler app, okay? And maybe you're wondering, can you really make money and rewards just from walking? Is this legit? How much money can you really make? What kind of rewards are they giving you? We're going to check it all out in this video today, right? Anytime if you want to get my favorite way to get to $10,000 a month or more 100% from home, just click the link below and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I have reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money on the internet. Some of them are really good, some of them are so-so. A lot of them though are a big waste of time. So let's check out Stepler to find out whether this is a good way for you to earn money online, or maybe it's a waste of time. Maybe there are better ways out there, okay? Now the Stepler app is essentially a pedometer app, right? So what you can do is you can download the app right here, or you can basically come right down to the bottom and you can either download it from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store, right? So we're going to check out the Google Play Store right here, all right? A lot of downloads. It's a pretty popular app. 1 million plus downloads just on the Google Play Store, right? And when you download it, it basically looks like this, okay? It's a very simple app. It just uses your phone to record your steps, and you turn it on every single day before you start the day, and it'll count your steps, all right? And the more steps that you make, the more points that you earn. Now remember this for later, but basically 1,000 steps is equal to 1 point, okay? 1,000 steps equals to 1 point. And what you can do on this particular app is, as you complete it, make sure you complete your profile, make sure you download it, set everything up properly. You'll get some additional extra points which you can use to convert into some rewards. We'll talk about what the rewards are in a second, right? You can invite friends, and you can also fill out some surveys on the app itself. Now, I have reviewed many survey applications, and this one doesn't pay as much because they're not really focused on surveys. But if you want, you can spend a little bit of time on the survey section of the app, and you can fill out some surveys, and they will give you some additional points, right? Depending on the surveys, they will give you, more or less points. Most surveys will, take around 5 to 10 minutes. They don't give you that many points, but it's an additional way to make some income from, or rewards, I should say, from the app itself, okay? Now, once you have racked up enough points, what you can do is you can actually exchange this right here for different rewards, okay? Now, most walking pedometer apps, they will basically allow you to convert your points into either gift cards or into PayPal cash. Unfortunately, with Stepler, you can only exchange your points for discounts from different retailers, okay? So it works a little bit differently. So you can get discounts from fashion, from beauty, from tech retailers, for example, right? But a lot of them will cost between 50 and 100 points in order for you to do that, all right? Now, if we do the math, remember when I mentioned earlier, it's 1,000 steps will give you 1 point. Now, on average, the average human being around the world will take about 5,000 steps a day. Now, sure, if you work out or you go on a run, or maybe you're someone who's super active, you might be able to get more steps. Maybe you can do 7,000 steps a day. Maybe you can do 10,000 steps a day. But let's just look at the average person, right? 5,000 steps a day, that's roughly about 5 points per day. All right. Now, if it's going to cost you about 50 to 100 points, let's just take 100 points because most of them are on the higher side, right? 100 points or 100 coins in order for you to exchange, like for example, in this picture right here, it's 200 coins, right? In order for you to exchange it for a reward, this reward right here, this Adidas offer, they're not giving you an Adidas top or Adidas shorts or whatever outright. It's basically giving you a discount, okay? So for your 200 points, which would basically take you 40 days, okay? 40 days of you walking 5,000 steps a day, right? So over a month, you're gonna be able to get this exclusive Adidas offer on a discount. So they might give you 10%, they might give you 20% discount off that particular Adidas top or Adidas, a wristband or whatever it is. You still have to buy it though, right? So you still have to spend money, but you're getting discounts for it, okay? So unfortunately, it doesn't work as well as some of the other walking apps out there where you can just outright get a gift card from Amazon and, $10 gift card, $5 gift card, or you can withdraw directly into your PayPal, $2, $3, whatever it is, right? These guys have done it in a way where you can exchange it for discounted offers, but you can't actually make cash. Now, they have some pretty good ones, like they have some experiences, but those cost like 60,000 points, okay? And so for you to, add up to 60,000 points, that would take you literally years and years to do it. So I think that this app is, it's pretty cool if you just want to count your steps, and if you don't really care about making money, and maybe after a month or 2 months you might be able to exchange it for some discounted some discounts, but you still have to buy the products with your own money. All right, so in terms of money making and rewards, it's not that good compared to some of the other walking apps out there. So what I would say is, if you want to make money, if you want to actually convert your walking into cash, then Stepler is not a very good app, because you still have to spend money, and all you're going to get is a little bit of discounts on different offers. Okay, that's pretty much it. So if you want to make a little bit more money, you can check out walking apps like WinWalk, for example. WinWalk, where you can exchange for different things like gift cards, like Uber, Subway, Amazon, and things like that. WeWord is also kind of similar as well, but please remember that these apps, they don't pay you that much money. Even if you're using the apps a lot, you're literally only getting a few dollars a month. Okay, so it's very, very little, $1, $2, $3 a month. It's not really designed to make you a lot of money, but if you combine all of them together, then you might be able to earn some additional rewards. They kind of stacks up, if that makes sense, right? But I would say Stepler, probably one of the not so great ones, because you can't withdraw into PayPal Cash, and it's literally just discounts where you have to spend money on anyway. So I probably wouldn't use Stepler. If you want to just have it as a pedometer, just for fun, to track your steps, it's pretty cool. But if you want to make money, it's probably one of the worst or not so good walking reward apps out there. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this review. If you are here watching this video and you're looking for a way to make big money online, there's so many ways to do it. On this channel, I have reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of strategies to make money on the internet. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly, but out of all the good strategies, there's one. After testing many strategies, right, there's one that really changed my life. In 2019, I used this particular online strategy to quit my full-time job. I have 5 times my old corporate salary because of this strategy. I work full-time from home. I think it's very good for beginners. It's the best way, I think, to make money on the internet. If you want to check it out, I've got a free step-by-step masterclass. Just click the link all the way at the bottom, and I will give you access to that, and you can check it out if you would like. All right, I hope you enjoyed this review of Stepler. All the best to you. See you on another video review. Take care.